What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's about to take her driving test. We are at a Broward County location. And as usual, I cannot say which one it is, but I can show you a little bit of the scenery. If you know the area, you should be able to tell where I am by that. Alright, before I get into the video, just a reminder, I now have merchandise in my YouTube store. There's my hat. I have the hat in a couple of colors, black, blue, and white. I have hoodies and I have t-shirts. I have bags and phone cases, and there's a lot of stuff in the store. So go by the store, pick something up. Just your way of supporting the store. I mean the channel. All right. So we're gonna get into the video. They're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left of the curve.
Left away?
Oh yeah. Left away from the curve. Put the car in park, pull the parking brake, and turn off the car.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Go ahead, press and release the brake.
I did.
Okay. So they're doing that to make sure that the turn signal lights are working, the brake lights are working, the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Alright, so now they're gonna tell you the examiners are in the car. For those that still don't know that, they have been in the car now for a couple of months. So they're gonna be sitting here, they're gonna ask you, they're gonna tell you basically to reverse and go to the left. So put the car in reverse.
I hate the camera.
Don't worry about it. Don't act like it's not there.
It's hard
Reverse.
to act.
When your mirror get to the end of the line, you're turning right. Stop here, turn all the way right, and then look behind as you reverse. So like I told you, if you're reversing, they want you looking back, right?
Right.
Alright, put the car in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and make a right turn. Alright, signal right. Alright, complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so you go up here and you go up enough where your mirror is past the curb here. So you know your back wheel is not gonna hit the curb. Go ahead, turn all the way right. So we're making a right and then we're making an immediate right. Alright, so now we're gonna go all the way down past these crowd of people that is here early. Go straight down.
People's sake,
all these people, and then make a right turn. Turn all the way
I
right.
just don't like turning here.
Oh, it is what it is. Turn the wheel all the way.
Yeah.
These people are here in the road, like it is. I don't know why there are so many people here. I guess they're taking more people now for walking than I thought. Alright, so we're gonna make a left turn. Just make sure you're in the right lane here, right? Even when you pass these people.
Oh.
Get back.
Damn it.
Go ahead, turn the wheel. Get back to when you pass them, just get back to your right side. That's all. And don't overthink it.
Of course not.
Straighten the wheel up here and stop. Alright, speed up to 20, sudden stop. So they're gonna tell you to stop here, speed up to 20 and then do a sudden stop. And stop. Alright, reverse, straight back. Look behind and just roll straight back. No gas, nothing, just like that. Okay, stop about there. Now we're gonna go forward. We're gonna go around the corner to go park and do the 3-point turn. And it's as simple as that. And you're doing great. You just need to not be overthinking.
Start
Go ahead. Stay close to the right side. So again, you're gonna park down here, and the closer you are to the right, the easier it is to park. Just don't go close enough that you actually touch the curb, but yeah. So signal left. Again, signal every single time. And go down, line up your mirror. And stop right there. And turn all the way left. Roll into the parking space. And as soon as you get here, you straighten the wheel, and stop. Okay. Reverse. We're gonna go to the left to go do the 3-point turn. So look behind and reverse. As soon as your mirror is past the pole, you're turning all the way right. Turn right. So you can go up to do the 3-point turn. Look behind. As soon as your mirror is past the middle here, you stop. Put the car back in drive. We're going to pull up next to the line on the right side so you can do the 3-point turn. Okay. Alright, stop like right here. 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And you're going to stop before you hit the curb over on that side. Put the car in reverse and turn all the way to the right. Alright, stop about there, put the car back in drive. Signal left again. Turn all the way left. Turn first, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah. When you get to the stop sign, we're gonna make a left turn. So signal left again. Come to a complete stop at the stop sign. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, make it left.
You didn't even let me see you on the cute camera before you started recording.
Okay.
Do my thing.
Go straight down. Look at this line, people. It is crazy. And it is now 7:30 in the morning. So we got here a little bit after 6 and that line was already out there. Alright, so we're making a left turn and then a quick left. So you're gonna stay close to the right side here so you can park. So find a space, park in this space, go up to the second one before that, yeah. This one right here. Alright, line up your mirror just like that. Turn all the way left. And as soon as you get to the middle, you straighten the wheel and go straight in. Up a little bit more. And stop. Okay, put the car in park. Alright, how do you think you did?
I think I did. Oh my gosh, I think I did good.
You did good. Yeah, she did good. She's gonna be doing her test in like half an hour. The DMV opens in half an hour. So she's gonna do her test. She's gonna pass, I'm sure. I'll put it in the description what she got points wise. But I'm sure she'll pass. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm asking you guys please to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Don't forget to go to the store and buy something, anything, right? Okay, tell these people to make sure they subscribe to my channel, please.
Please subscribe.
Like the video, share the videos.
Like and share.
And comment and all that good stuff.
And comment. Support.
Support. That's what's up. Alright, thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.